Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is Divya Mittal this side, and I'm the Senior Business Development Executive in Vibcare Healthcare group of companies. And today we are exhibiting in PharmmaEx exhibition. We are basically, if I introduce my company, that we are basically the third-party contract manufacturers. We're a WHO GMP certified company, and we are currently dealing in four-section tablet capsules and liquid ointments. And right now there is a magic happen in our industry that we are having our in-house foil printing facility also there, so there will be no timely delivery constraints and no quality issues will be there. And we are loving this place right now, and as a sponsor of this PharmmaEx, we are totally excited about the crowd and to develop the business. So I wish everyone a very good luck, and we wish to be part of this exhibitions once again. Thank you so much.